Hello, people of world. I hope you are all fine. So today I'm going to take you through carbon monoxide poisoning, or or we say how carbon monoxide kills people. I'm going to show you how dangerous carbon monoxide might be. So let's start by knowing what carbon monoxide is. Carbon monoxide is just a gas which is produced in different areas. Let's see, where does carbon monoxide come from? Carbon monoxide can come from exhaust of gasoline engines, coal mines, gases from deep wells and underground drainage systems, and charcoal geckos. These charcoal geckos are the one which you use at home. Now, we want to know, how does this carbon monoxide kill person or people? Uh, once you once you are cooking with a charcoal gecko, then the house has no ventilation. Carbon monoxide accumulates in higher concentration within the house. Now, when you inhale this carbon monoxide, it enters the lungs, then it interfuses from the lungs to the blood. And as we know, carbon monoxide is 200 times half affinity for hemoglobin than oxygen. So it combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which produces severe anemic hypoxia by the following mechanisms. What are these mechanisms? These mechanisms are which brings about lack of oxygen in tissues, and then when tissue are deprived of oxygen, this kind of this kind of a situation is not bring cell death. Now let's see the mechanisms. One, it does not allow hemoglobin to take up oxygen from alveolar air. The reason because yeah, it has high affinity for hemoglobin than oxygen. So it binds faster than oxygen, making it hard for oxygen to bind the hemoglobin. Then its presence, because it's from carboxyhemoglobin, it decreases release of oxygen from the hemoglobin to tissues. So tissues have no oxygen. It also combines with the cytochrome oxidase enzyme, which is mostly found in the mitochondria. In the mitochondria, these enzymes are transfers. It is involved in transfer of electrons from one complex to another. More so, the cytochrome oxidase transfers electrons to complex 4, which is involved in ATP synthesis. You can imagine of a situation where ATP is not produced. So now, if in mitochondria, in the oxidative phosphorylation, the ATP is not produced, it means only glycolysis produces ATP, and you know glycolysis produces just a very small fraction of ATP in the body. So in this case, TCA is shut down. Now glycolysis is one which is acting, and it does not provide enough energy. So as this process, or as you are going to inhale this kind of carbon monoxide, the concentrations increases in blood and the ATP production reduces. So, so as this process goes on, you find that the cells like neurons in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, they just, if they are deprived of oxygen for less than 4 minutes, they do die. So these kind of activities make this cell of neurons to die, and once neurons in the brain die, obviously person dies, and this and that is how carbon monoxide kills people. Once you are in the house, the BMR is very much reduced, such that it can maintain functions of body and some systems starts to fail. Renal system, nervous system, all those kind of things. Some cells dies and it fails. And when it fails, someone dies. Okay. Thank you for listening. Let's meet on the next lecture. It will be about nutrition. What foods brings what foods boost our immunity? I'm going to give you non-condensed, non-food, which will be able to provide all the vitamins you require in the body. So let's meet in that lecture as soon as possible. Goodbye.